Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the first video of series Adobe XD tutorials. In this video, I'm going to create a prototype of mobile app login screen which I have just created in Photoshop. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I'm using the latest version of Adobe XD. So if you are using some other version, then the starting screen can be different. So here is the first screen of Adobe XD. Let's click on the custom size to 720 width and 1280 height. Now press enter. So here is the canvas. Select the move tool and click outside the canvas to get rid of the selection. Now select rectangle tool and make rectangle like this. I am using this image from unsplash.com. I am leaving the link in the description. You can download it for free. Now drag the photo to the canvas. Select move tool and resize it to fill the canvas. Now select both rectangle and photo layer by holding Ctrl key. Go to the object and click on the mask with shape. It will mask the photo to the rectangle. Now hover over the layer and lock it. Now again select rectangle tool and draw rectangle like this. Make border to none and fill layer with black color and make opacity to 50%. Also lock this layer because we are not going to move this layer anymore. Now select text and write whatever your company name is. Now select the text and make fill to white. And make font size to 50. And I'm using font Poppins. You can use any font which you want. Select move tool and align it. Again select the text tool and write like this. Select move tool and align it to the existing text. And make font size to 90 and make it bold. Uh, 90 is big, let's make it 85. Perfect. Now select both text layer by holding Ctrl key, then right click on it and make it group. Double click on the layer to rename it. Now select rectangle tool and draw like this. Make border to none and fill to black. Make opacity to 50%. And border radius to 10. It will curve the border of the rectangle. Now select text tool and type the placeholder text. Select it and make size to 20. And font weight to medium. Select move tool to make it center. Then make opacity to 60%. Now select both name and rectangle layer by holding Ctrl key and double click on it to rename it. Now right click on it and make it duplicate. And hold the shift key to move it down. By holding the shift key, it will move down to the straight line. Change the group name Open the group and select text and make it dots to look like password. Select the move tool and make it center. Increase the font size to 25. Again select the text area group and duplicate it and rename it as button. Select button group, hold shift again and move it down. Select rectangle layer and change fill color to something pinkish red. And make opacity to 80%. Select text layer and change name to submit. Now select both layer and center it by pressing this button. Now select the text layer and make opacity back to 100% so that it should stand out more. And make it bold. Now select text tool and create a new text like this and make it center. Let's name it register. Perfect. So guys, this was a tutorial of making mobile app login screen in Adobe XD. So guys, this was it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notification. So guys, see you in the next one. Till then, keep designing.